similar to its predecessor in that it still has to guide itself across the river using two cables. As such, it can always be attached right back and technically known as a floating bridge. Now, as we pass behind the ferry, if you look closely, you'll be able to see the cables that it uses to guide itself across the river. And you might be wondering if those cables have ever snapped. Well, the answer to that is yes, and on several occasions. I will say that it hasn't happened with the new one yet, but certainly with the old one, it happened many times. Most memorably, about 27 years ago, we were having a very severe November storm, a very strong northerly gale combined with a very fast outgoing tide. The cables here became particularly stressed and decided to part company, and the old ferry started careering off into the yachts ahead of its Unfortunately, though, on board the ferry that particular evening was a very quick picking up deck hand, and we had the idea of throwing the anchor over the side. And it would have been a brilliant idea had it first checked to see if the anchor was in fact attached to anything. Well, of course it wasn't, and so many crystallised the anchor and got through its chain. The old ferry continued off into these yachts on our left, doing well over £500,000 worth of damage. I'm sure you can probably imagine that particular anchor was very unpopular and very quickly dismissed. Dartmouth, it is a very small town, where it's very quickly got around. It was a number of years before I was able to find Game Island.
ഇതൊക്കെ വേറെ തന്നെ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് കേട്ടോ. ഇതൊക്കെ കാണേണ്ട സ്ഥലമാണ്. ഒരു ബോട്ട് യാത്ര ചെയ്യാം, വേറെ തന്നെ ഒരു ലോകം കേട്ടോ.
Naval College, the foundation stone for this building.